friends, my name is Rahul David and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna give you and share with you only 5 things. If you will follow them, definitely you learn this language as like me. Yes, so without our wasting time, I start my video. You can see me, I standing on the fields and you can see me back on me. This is a mustard oil seed agriculture. Yes, these fields are mine and these fields are our. So I did 5 things, learn this language. You can see me, I right now I can speak with confidence and fluent English. Yes, many people comment my video, sir, I belongs to village and I didn't learn this language. Doesn't matter you belong to village or city. If you have dear, if you have guts, definitely you can become a fluent speaker as like me. Yes, you heard right. So our wasting time, I start my video. Yes, if you want to learn this language, so you should try and you should do only 5 things I gonna tell it to you. The first thing is listen. Yes, you heard right. If you want to learn this language, so firstly you should learn this language and firstly you have to listen. Yes, you know, when we our childhood, that time we can't unable to speak our mother tongue. Firstly we have to listen, after that we start speaking. So many people did they mistakes many times, they starting speaking and they didn't practice too listening. So firstly you have to listen, after that started you speaking. Like it doesn't matter, you can listen like English podcast, vlogging videos and English song. Doesn't matter. If you only it depends on your interest. So firstly you have to listen. You can listen podcast videos and other types things you can listen, definitely. Yes, you heard right. The second step is reading. Yes, you heard right. The reading is very much to learn every language. If you have like 5 class stories book and other type books, so you can read. If you will read books, stories books, science fiction book, drama book and other type book, so your vocabulary will improve soon. And you know, vocabulary is the must part and is the most part of this language. So first, the second step you have to follow, that definitely listen. Yes, you have reading books. And the third step is the writing. Yes, you heard right. You know, many pupils do that. They starting speaking and listening and reading and they don't write. So friends, you should write, definitely. If you will write your thoughts, so your speaking improve soonly. Yes, you write any topic. Suppose that you are a school boy and school student, so you go to travel your bus and you return by the bus from to school, so you can express your thoughts by the writing in the book. So you must be write your thoughts in the book daily. If you will do that, definitely your speaking will improve soonly. You know, many people don't do that. But if you want to learn this language, I think you should try these steps, rewriting. And the fourth step is speaking. Yes, friends, you heard right. Speaking is very must. Every language. I am not talking about to specific English language. I am talking about to every language. Speaking is very must. Before starting speaking, you have to 3 things must. If you many pupils says that we have no co-partner and co-learner with for the practice, so doesn't matter. If you don't have any partner, so you can start speak alone and front of the mirror. You can start front of the mirror. So friends, doesn't matter. If you don't have mirror, so you have phone and you can record your video. After that you can analyze your mistake and error. If you will do that, definitely you will improve soon. Yes, so it's the fourth step. Speaking is must for every learned language. And the last and the five things is I gonna telling to you grammar. Yes, many people says that grammar is not must and grammar is not important for this language, but I am telling you, yes, grammar is important, but it is important only 20 to 30%. Like if you don't know structure of sentence, if you don't know how to create the sentence, translate the sentence, so I think you don't learn this language. So you have little bit of knowledge for grammar. Yes, if you will learn grammar, so definitely you can improve your communication soon. And friend, I did and I gave you 5 things: LSRW: listening, reading, writing, speaking, and grammar. If you will follow that 5 things, definitely you can improve and you can learn this language easily. If you want to learn this language with me, so you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Yes, you can subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to learn with me. I am making this language very easy way. You know, I belongs to village and I can speak this language with confidence and effortlessly. You know, many people say that, sir, I belongs to village and I don't have no partner for the communication and learning. Doesn't matter you belongs to city or village. If you want to learn this language, so you can learn this language. If you want to learn this uh, speaking good English, so you can speak good English. Doesn't matter you belongs to or you city. So I hope you understood my point and you are learning this language effortlessly and easy. If you learn this language, so you can follow me and you can like, say, subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can like this video and share those friends who are suffering learn this language. So till then, have a nice